Hello guys, today we will be puppet trading.
Fidget trading.
Whatever it's called.
Okay. So I have this Among Us character.
So sassy.
And I have
He is sassy.
this cool 100 puppet. I have this Can't
cool.
y'all hear how satisfying it sounds? And I have this cool blue one. Okay, so what would you like for this? Can you please add?
Among Us.
That means you have to add. Decline. Okay, I have this. What would you like to offer for it?
Among Us.
Please add. Add. No, I am not adding, so decline.
Among Us.
Okay, what would you like for this? Please add, and I'm not adding. Or then we're going to end the video. Because it's just going to be. Accept! Do you accept?
Among Us.
Yes! I win! Thanks
No,
for
we're still
watching.
playing.
Okay.
And I don't have to add.
What would you like for this? Thank you.
Yo mama.
What would you want for that?
Can I have the 100 pink puppet?
No, thank you. Decline.
Avocado.
This is
Try
going
now.
nowhere. I'm about to end the video.